is broken. Daddy.
What's up? They frozen? They ain't gonna get it for you. Go get that.
This is so cold.
You gotta put them in your pocket.
Aria.
Let me see. Hold on. Watch out. Watch out. Let me see. Where you pocket? This one? Your hands cold? Here.
Did you slip?
I need gloves too.
Alright.
Aria.
I'm sorry. But the snow is snow is freezing.
You done playing in the snow? You done already?
No. I want to wear my gloves and play in the snow.
Donald, look at me.
Here. Put your glove on. Here. Put your glove on. Help her put her glove on. My hand's frozen. You used to this shit. I ain't used to this. Go ahead. Help. Ask mommy. Mommy used to this enough.
Your gloves still gonna get wet. Your hand's still gonna get frozen.
Mommy used to the white
You say you want to play in the snow? Go ahead and play in the snow.
It's so cold.
Huh?
Mommy, so cold. Wow.
Hey Aria, guess what? Here, make a snowman. Oh, you gonna make a snow angel? Nobody made a snow angel yet.
Water, mommy.
Water, we're gonna do the water.
Where's the water?
That's gonna make it worse. Make a snowman. Yeah, you gotta ball up the snow, make a snowman.
Don't sit in the snow. Your booty gonna get cold.
It is already cold.
Come on, make a snowman. You gotta build it up, make a snowman.
Who is doing that?
No, it wasn't my hands in my pocket. Oh, my hands is cold. God damn.
That's what?
What?
Okay. I want to.
I mean, watch out, they got dog doo-doo frozen in here.
Where?
Everywhere. Man, my shoes frozen.
Put your hand
Hey,
down.
look at mommy looking all cute in the snow. She been waiting on this.
Put your hand down like this.
No, you're not putting snow in my hair.
Mommy been waiting on this snow, on this cold weather. Look at her.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Boom.
Ooh, watch out, I got the camera now.
Don't try to get me.
You can get her now, she ain't got the camera. Mommy ain't got the camera no more. Get her. Get her, Donald.
What?
How you didn't even get mommy? Look, you didn't even get mommy. Get her. Get mommy.
Girl.
Mommy, the only one who ain't got. Her hand's still warm and everything.
No, they not. My hand's cold. That's why I have to put them in my pocket. Girl. Aria got on the gloves. That's dog piece though, Aria. Golly.
Look at Aria. Let me see Aria. Look at me. And your little nose red and everything.
Keep the hoods and stuff on.
Keep your hood on, Donald. Put your hood on.
Ain't helping, mommy.
Little mommy's boy. Look at the mommy's boy. Y'all ready to go?
Go where?
Inside? Back inside?
Yeah, no.
Y'all silly.
Where? Yeah, I see it. It's everywhere. Fuck. It's cold, as a motherfucker. Alright. Your hand's cold.
Yeah, I want to play.
Put them in your pockets.
Wait, what'd you say, Donald?
Hands are cold. I don't want to play no more.
Huh?
I don't want to play no more.
Why?
What?
Well, world, I guess they had enough of playing in the snow. They said it was too cold. I knew they couldn't handle it. We've been outside for about 10 minutes. They can't even handle it. Come on, Donald, where you at? I warned y'all about this Texas weather. I told y'all. Well, world, I told y'all about this Texas weather. I tried to warn y'all. It's bipolar down here. I'm telling y'all, we get all seasons in 1 year.
Ain't that what everybody get in 1 year?
Nah.
You mean in 1 month? That's what you meant to say. We get all season in 1 month.
All season in 1 month.
Wow, there's snow everywhere. Hey, Dad, tell Cody. Hey, Dad, tell Cody.
Look at him with the runny nose. Shit. Y'all nose is running? What about yours, Aria? Your nose running? Take them gloves off for your hands freeze.
All right.
You okay?
Yep. I got that.
No, you don't. You was ready to go inside.
Edited the video.
Mm-hmm.
You want it to be a video?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Y'all wanna go drive around, see what it look like everywhere?